Hey everyone, I'm Nick and welcome to the channel. Today we're checking out the Minix CA505, which is a wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto adapter. So the CA505 turns your wired CarPlay to a wireless CarPlay connection and wired Android Auto to wireless Android Auto. So adds a lot of convenience. You can just leave your phone in your pocket or in your purse, you get in your car, turn it on, it'll automatically connect and you're good to go. So let's start by taking a look at what's included in the box. So you have the manual included, covers how to connect it for CarPlay and Android Auto. It also shows you how to update it if you need to, but if it works out of the box for you, you don't need to worry about this. We have the CA505 itself right here. Nice gloss black finish on the front and back, and a textured surround here. Little button right there. We also have a right angle adapter. So if your USB port on your car is forward and you don't want it to be sticking out on your dash, you could just pop this in and you plug it in and it won't stick out as far. So very convenient that that's included. We also have a USB-A to USB-C adapter, which has a nice metal housing. And this is useful if your car has a USB-C port. So you could just plug this in if that's the case, and you're good to go. And that's everything that's included with the Minix CA505. So all that's left to do is to go turn some wired CarPlay and wired Android Auto connections wireless in a car. All right, so we're in my pickup truck, which has wired Android Auto and wired Apple CarPlay, and we're going to connect the CA505 into the port that I use for wired CarPlay and wired Android Auto. It's connecting. So right here we have the name of the device, which is Minix 9D04. So I'm going to look for that in my Bluetooth settings right here, 9D04. And the letters and numbers are going to be unique to your adapter. I'm going to hit pair and hit connect. Now I just have to wait for it to connect and we'll be good to go. There we go. And we're in wireless Apple CarPlay. So looks nice. We've got all the compatible apps that are installed on the phone that show up. So for me, that's things like Google Maps, Pocket Casts, and Spotify, which is very nice. We can go into our settings. We can change the appearance, light and dark. We can change the wallpaper. And if we swipe over, we have a split screen with map here and whatever's playing right here. So let's try some music. We'll head over to Spotify and play something. Very nice, works well. Awesome. Now if we're in our main menu and want to get out of wireless CarPlay, we can just hit this button and it'll drop us back out. Now let's say you want to disconnect your phone from the adapter. You can turn off Bluetooth and turn off Wi-Fi and it will disconnect. Now let's do the same thing for wireless Android Auto. So I'm going to go into my Bluetooth settings on my phone. We're going to go to Minix 9D01, hit pair. The adapter is going to reboot into Android Auto mode. And we're in. So we have all the compatible apps that are installed on the phone that are going to show up right here. So again, Pocket Casts, Spotify, and stuff like that. We also have a split screen mode right here. We have our maps on this side and our music over here. And there you go. We have settings as well we can adjust. So very neat. And all of that is with no wire between my phone and the head unit. So I can just leave it in my pocket, get in the car, let it connect, and I'm good to go. So now that we've turned both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wireless with this adapter, let's get into another car and I'll show you how you can update it if you ever need to. Now if the connection already works, you don't need to worry about this, but I'm just going to put it in the video anyway in case you ever do. What we're going to do is we're going to look for Minix 9D04 in our Wi-Fi and we're going to connect to it. Wi-Fi password is the number 8 times, so 8888 8888. Connect. And it's going to tell you don't have internet on this Wi-Fi network, and that's fine. Then we're going to go to our web browser and type 192.168.1.101. Now once we're in, we can submit an error report, we can go to our update, and we can look at settings. So you shouldn't need to change anything here, but we're going to check for an update. Current version 1016, latest version 1021, so we're going to update right now. We'll change to updating mode here, and we're going to let this run. All right, so software update is completed. Back in, and that's how you update the firmware. And that is the Minix CA505. It really adds a lot of convenience to be able to leave your phone in your pocket or in your purse when you get in your car. And especially right now, since it's winter with the temperatures dropping, you don't have to fumble around with cables if you're wearing gloves. You can just get in, turn the car on, and have your phone connect automatically. If you want to get a Minix CA505 for yourself, I'll leave a link in the video description. And I want to say a big thank you to Minix for sending me this to review. I've actually tested some of their other products before as well, so if you want to check those videos out, I'll leave links down below too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and to hype the video because it really helps me out. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and if you want to see more videos like this, or you'll want to watch me work on cars, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.